Welcome to Blue & Company in Seymour, Indiana. My name is Karen Dringenberg, and I'm a senior accountant here. Whether you're looking to apply to Blue or you've just accepted an offer, let me give you a quick peek inside the office. I'm excited to show you around. Welcome to 813 West 2nd Street in Seymour. We have 4 conference rooms, and we are able to accommodate various size groups from client meetings to employee trainings and group work. We also have a large training room for events, Southern Indiana office gatherings, and firm-wide trainings. Our break room is a nice gathering space in the middle of the day. One perk of working in the Seymour office is access to our fitness room. We have a treadmill, elliptical, and an exercise bike, along with some weights. There's a television to enjoy while you're working out, and a restroom with a shower to wash up after working out. The east side of the office has offices and cubicles for our staff. Employees in administrative positions, as well as staff and senior accountants, work in cubicles. Managers, senior managers, and directors work out of offices. Thank you for joining me on this quick tour of our office here in Seymour, Indiana, and thank you for your interest in Blue.